talking in the chat. Listen, I'm going to put right here real quick as we're going into the news. If you don't have our starter pack yet, I'm going to put a link right now in the chat for you. This is our maiden course. This is where you're going to learn how to trade the D1, the D2, and the A1. So I'll make sure there's that for you guys. ASFX is lit and I'm not even a member. Thanks, bro. I love nukes. And Discipline took a loss on GCAT for no reason because I didn't follow my rules and they're written in front of me. Randy, that's just because you want to trade. So that trade should have been on a demo account. Scratch that itch somewhere else. You've got winning rules in front of you. Practice those winning rules with your real money. Take the other ideas with your demo account. Okay? We've got 6 minutes till news. You can see GBP USD is pushing up. This morning, GBP NZD was on the watch list. As you can see, it's got a really nice market sentiment line. Just didn't present anything. We're going to look at USD JPY today because I know Dennis made some money on this. Some of the guys took this little shift candle this morning. It moved about 2R. It moved 11 pips and your stop was only 5. It's a tight trade, but I want to talk about UJ from yesterday. Yesterday, James had a really good idea on this. It's something that he's developing and he's going to probably be putting a course out eventually, I'd hope, to teach people how he identifies these trades, but we're going to look at UJ in a second. I've got that marked up. The trade of the day before GBP USD has been Euro USD. Lindsay took this short. Again, this melted yesterday. No entry yesterday, though. A lot of people, we weren't able to make money on EU yesterday. It didn't present a signal, but today, Lindsay got the D1 here off the 50. It breaks out of the Asian range here. It tests that zone. So the only knock really that I see with this is that she's trading towards this low of day support zone that's been tested multiple times, but it ends up bodying through that zone, holding the 8 EMA beautifully and coming lower. If you look at the 1 minute, you'll actually see it's a beautiful 1 minute D1 setup. The divergence is in. It breaks the 50 EMA here for the first time, sets in a lower high right here, breaks it again, starts to pull the market sentiment down, sets another lower high here with the market sentiment beautifully in the sell zone, and that's where we see her take her entry. And then look at the market sentiment line. Holds the sell zone, all the way down. All the way down. It doesn't, the market sentiment line, the yellow line, comes up into the buy zone here after the trade has already made its full move. So as long as that market sentiment line holds the sell zone for her, that's how she knows she's in a good trade. And she did really well on that today. So nicely done, Lindsay. And Jerome also crushed that trade too. Same thing for GBP USD. Since this entry this morning, look, market sentiment line only in the buy zone. That 1 minute market sentiment line is a game changer. It's a game changer. So the fact that she's using it and everybody else is starting to use this market sentiment line, I'm very happy with that. Can't be mad about that. I'm just locking my stop right now on GBP USD, so I can't lose any money on this. When this news comes in. Nice. All right, that's a nice win for me. Anybody else make money on GU this morning? Yes, this week's trade's been EuroCAD, Euro USD, GU, and UJ. It's a busy week, Dennis. I love it, bro. You're crushing it, man. I fucking love it. So since we only have 4 minutes until the news, let's all just hang out right here. You're welcome, Lindsay. I'm glad you're doing well. My dentist just texted me I have a cleaning. Brogan closed half. Beautiful. Let me send a message to our Discord. Now, this Discord chat, for those of you that don't know, you get access to this if you take the starter pack, okay? Not the crash course. Starter pack gets this. Take a picture of that, throw that right there. Everybody's talking about the funding stuff. Mike Diaz, your markups are amazing. Gotta hop off. Tim, good seeing you, bro. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Getting a little acceleration here. Ryan's got GU locked. Good. Good. Let it roll. If news wants to push us up to the 200, let's get out at the 200. Let's take profit there next. Let's see what the news wants to do. Just make sure your stop is locked so we don't give back profits. That's it. My stop is locked. Can't give back any money on this. Take a little video here for the gram for later. Took a demo, break of the 1 minute right before it hopped on the stream. Thanks for the call. You're welcome, Chris. Nicely done, bro. I'm glad you're killing it. Yeah, drop a like if you're trading GU. Brogan, Chris, if you haven't hit the thumbs up button, help me out. Come on. GU's picking up now. We'll go over these other trades in a second. All the GBP pairs picking up. Look at GN. Yeah, Dennis, you really snuck it out on UJ today, bro. Yesterday it had that big extended move. I'll show you the markup. But you really snuck it out there today, bro. Got your quick 1R, 2R, and boom, you're out. GU is excellent. Yep, looks good. 50 seconds till news comes in. I'm going to keep the news open on my other screen so I can just read it to you guys as it comes in here. Final GDP and unemployment claims. Let's see. Can we get a drum roll? Brogan, I appreciate you, bro. I'd give you 1,000 thumbs up. Love you, bro. I can't wait till you guys can come to the States. We could play paintball, we'll play some golf. I'll be good at golf by the time you guys get to the States, I promise. 30-minute trade just as GU ripped yesterday. Great reversal on GU. Yeah. GU falls yesterday, instant profit. GU reverses on the D2 today. Works out beautifully. So I'm going to share the trade from yesterday after we see this news come in a minute here. 3 seconds. Let's see. Is it just going to take off? Is it not going to move? I would say it's probably not going to move much just because this is not high impact news. It's orange folder. It's medium impact news. If anything, it's probably just going to push this higher, really. Okay, I mean, there's the close. It's not going crazy yet. So if it's not going crazy yet, it's not going to get shook up too much. It's probably going to push higher here. I'm just tweeting something right now. Give me a second, guys. South Africa versus U.S. traders, paintball. Hell yeah, bro. I can't wait. My paintball gun actually comes in the mail today. I don't have any paint to shoot it, but I'm using it this weekend. I'm pretty excited. I didn't buy like some fancy ass $500 paintball gun. You know what I mean? I bought a very cheap paintball gun, but if I still am playing every weekend by Christmas time, that's when I'm going to ask Santa Claus for a new paintball gun, like a nice $500, $600 one that shoots really fast. But I kind of think that the shooting fast ones are cheating. You know what I'm saying? Like those automatic paintball guns, it's not fair. I'm nice already without that. So I'm like, I got to make it fair. So I'm not going to get that for myself yet. You know what I mean? I'm confident in my ability. Here you go. Unemployment claims, not far off forecast. A little bit higher than forecast. That's not great for the dollar. That'll probably push, you would think, dollar index down, USD quote pairs up. But GU's coming down a little bit. Let's see, is EU moving a lot? No. It's medium impact news, so that's why this isn't moving too much. This broke out of the high a day zone, so I'm expecting it to retest the high a day here, that initial high, and then move higher. That's what we're looking at. You should be getting golf clubs too. I am. I'm going to get some clubs, bro. I promise. It's on the list. Now that it's getting a little cooler out here, I can definitely make that happen. Definitely. Okay, so since we're going to just watch the GU trade, everybody